welcome to Maori Business Network for this, the last segment of 2012. I'm Brent Rayhana. In this segment we talk to Adam Saunders, co-star of $1 Million Mate, about his role in co-producing, co-writing and co-starring alongside superstar Keisha Castle-Hughes.
Me initially with just this concept of an Indigenous person winning the lottery. Like, I introduced it to my family and he saw this whole musical aspect to me and he's like, well, let's do it on, let's put you in it.
Pretty good. I love that.
She's, as Chris was saying, she's an actress that's in, the top 5%, and she just turns it on like that, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
She's a natural at what she does.
I was also lucky enough to be at the Rise Up for Rangihou community meeting that provided a professional presentation that projected backwards in history and then projected forward in time to what the project management team saw as a viable entity for setting up a marae here in New South Wales. The team was quick to point out that they support the marae appeal here in Sydney, as well as any other marae that wants to get off the ground here in Australia. In this segment, we also take you back over some of the events of 2012. The Tu Toa wānanga out at Heathcote, where Brendan Martin and his wife Lucy look after 55 young Māori boys. We're at the Kiwi Expat Association's Waitangi Day out at Coogee Bowling Club.
It's been brilliant, yeah, absolutely fantastic.
Out at St Mary's at the New South Wales Maori Rugby League
They better get ready to take
where North were victorious. We were regulars at the Harlequin Inn, the home of the All Black Supporters Club at Pema.
All Black Supporters Club!
By far and above, the highlight of this year, 2012, was travelling down to Canberra to the Australian National Kapa haka competition to watch Te Raranga Whanui from Sydney take out the overall competition. Te Raranga Whanui now travel to New Zealand, to Rotorua, to compete at Matatini. Well, that's it for us for 2012. I've enjoyed bringing these segments to you. This is Maori Business Network. I'm Brent Rayhana. Until next year, noho oro mai.